The Lake of the Ozarks is one of Missouri's most famous tourist spots. Two state parks surround the lake, hidden a short distance away from the many tourist destinations, which offer a range of outdoor experiences. Lake of the Ozarks State Park near Kaiser and Ha Ha Tonka State Park near Camdenton have solitude and opportunities for exploration. Lake of the Ozarks State Park has a variety of recreational opportunities. If you like water activities, the park has more than 80 miles of lake frontage, boat launches, boat rentals, fishing, skiing and pontoon, at 2 marinas and an equivalent number of swimming beaches. The Lake of the Ozarks offers access to public beaches, great fishing, and plenty of room for fun and recreation on the water. For over 70,000 acres, anyone who chooses to sit ashore can find plenty of privacy in the park's wooded areas. 12 hiking, mountain biking, and equestrian trails encourage you to discover oak hickory trees, sunny glades, small springs and streams, and open grassy meadows, as well as some of the best scenic views of the lake. The ruins of a businessman's house, Ha Ha Tonka State Park, seem to belong to a bygone fairy tale empire, but they are only the bones of a dead man's fantasy. Robert Schneider, a wealthy Kansas City businessman, had a fantasy to construct a European-style castle right in his home state of Missouri. Schneider bought 5,000 acres of land, including his own lake, for this purpose, and construction on the evocative mansion began in 1905. The businessman also imported stone masons from Europe to achieve the desired design, but sadly Schneider did not live to see his dream house finished. The house construction had begun in earnest, but Schneider was killed in one of Missouri's first traffic crashes in 1906. Schneider's fantasy palace, on the other hand, would not disappear with him. Schneider's sons resumed construction on the castle after his death and were able to finish it by 1920. Following the completion of renovation, one of Schneider's sons moved into the massive castle before the family's funds ran out due to land ownership litigation involving the castle's lands. Since Schneider the Younger was forced to leave the house due to depression and poverty, the property was used as a hotel and lounge until 1942, when it was totally destroyed by a fire. The state bought the land in the 1970s and has managed to conserve Schneider's dream home's collapsing walls as a feature in their state park. Visitors will now visit the ruins of the castle that took the Schneider Empire to its knees. While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. We are posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it.